So just read enough, and you see the fact that I encourage you not overstrain, the fact that I encourage you not overread, does not in any way suggest that I'm encouraging laziness among the students. No. As a student, again, don't sleep for very long. Just sleep enough, because we have this saying that a man should sleep for 6 hours. A man should sleep for 8 hours. Who is teaching now? Who is the teacher? And the teacher said, how many hours? We have 7 hours for women and children. I was giving a lecture at Friends High School, Kamsinga Boys, yesterday. And I also told them that because they're also under the age of 21, they also fall in that second group of women and children who should be sleeping consistently for 7 hours every day. We also have 8 hours or more for fools. So if you sleep 8 hours or more, you are unlikely to succeed. Because even traditionally, it is said that when the hardworking man is already in the fields, the lazy man, he is still yawning and turning his bed, wondering what time it is. It is also true that when the hardworking student is already in class in the morning, sweating in her books, the lazy ones, they are still yawning and turning in their beds, wondering what time it is. And you'll find these lazy students, they even have the courage to tell the others what is the time. And the person are asking is already walking back into the dormitory from class. She has already read something. And as for you, you are still asking from the comfort of your bed and rubbing your eyes. So let us be hardworking people who sleep early and wake up early to read, because we have this saying that early to bed. Let us live true to that saying. I have summarized the day for you from 5 o'clock in the morning to 10 o'clock in the evening. And the reason for doing that is because many students have a problem with planning well for their studies. The difference between schools that perform very well in exams and those schools that perform poorly, it is not just based on the intelligence of the students, but it's based on planning, how carefully you can plan for your work. With the proper planning, when the exams come, you are likely to excel. Now, because we know that many students have a problem with planning well for their studies, we have now done that planning for you in this book by making for you some revision timetables to use, because it is only through a good revision timetable that you can be able to utilize your time properly in the school. You'll find that very serious students sometimes, they normally approach the teachers and they request the teachers to assist them to make the revision timetables. And the teachers, they are always willing to assist. But many times we make the timetables on our own. We sometimes works very well, but sometimes does not work very well as such. So now we have made the timetables for you to use several of them. There is one you can use during weekdays, that is Monday to Friday. Another one you can use over the